Hey guys, so I am back with another leggings review, an affordable leggings review. So if you guys have seen these little textured leggings with the scrunch booty, I've seen these on Instagram for like months, and I always wanted to try them, but I didn't really want to pay the actual retail price that they were charging. So y'all know me, I went and researched, and I actually found some that I feel like are just as good and are about half the price. So if you want to see these leggings and see where I got them from and the link to where you can purchase these, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so for these leggings, I actually purchased only two colors. I got these gray ones and I got some like neon green ones as well. I actually bought the neon green ones for a 80s, like a neon 80s skate party. I'll go ahead and include the picture somewhere in here. But I kind of wore them for an 80s party, and they actually were like really nice. They lifted up my butt. These are really, the scrunch booty is really cute. So I'm going to show you guys like the full length of the leggings right now. And so these are the full length leggings. As you can see, they have like this textured pattern. I can't talk today. It's like a textured pattern. They are very high-waisted. However, it does have this seam coming up right here. So it doesn't really bother me, but I know like having that seam right in the middle of your crotch kind of creates like a camel toe effect. Doesn't give me a camel toe, but hey, I don't know. Some of y'all might get camel toe. I didn't get camel toe, but so yeah. They're really cute. They're really high-waisted, and there's a lot of room in here too. Like it's still kind of snug, but it's still very loose. And they come up high, guys. Like they can come high, you know, but I'm not gonna wear them that high. So they kind of hide, you know, your little, if you have rolls here, you know, it'll hide it. They don't really give any compression, so if you have something to hide, it's not really gonna hide it. They do give a little compression. They don't really give any tummy control. As you can see, guys, I do have a little tummy here, and that's just from my hormonal imbalances. As you guys know, I have PCOS, so all of my weight goes right here. But anyways, it doesn't give any compression. So if you're looking for something that's gonna control your tummy, it's not really gonna control it. It is high-waisted and it's cute either way, but it's not gonna give you that tug, that kind of secure feeling that, like, let's say a Gymshark seamless would give you. So these are the back with the scrunch booty. So as you can see, the scrunch goes right up through the middle, and it kind of gives your butt like a little bit of shape, kind of lifts the butt a little bit. I love these. So just to show you guys a close-up, I don't have, these are the neon greens. I'm gonna put these on, but before I put them on, I just want to show you up close. So this is the back, and this is like kind of the scrunch booty part. So this is kind of what gives your butt that contour and that lifted look. And you can see like the texture here. So this texture, it says it's supposed to hide your cellulite. They call it anti-cellulite, whatever. I mean, honestly, there's no anti-cellulite technology in these leggings, but it does kind of hide, like if you have dimples and stuff in your leggings, it hides it. So, I mean, it's just cute. I just love this textured kind of look. Yeah, and this is a really, like, I don't know if the lighting is showing it, but this is a really good, like, bright, like, neon, like, highlighter, neon yellow. Like a greenish kind of yellow. Okay, guys, so these are the neon green, same style, just a different color. Now, I would just say, and I'm being completely transparent with you guys, when I wore these at the 80s neon party, it was like a light, it was like a black light. It's like it was a skating rink. So it was like a black light. And under the black light, these leggings were definitely see-through. Like you can see my underwear under the, like you can see like the thong that I was wearing under the leggings. It wasn't like really noticeable. I noticed it because when we took a picture. But I don't know if that was from the flash or the black lighting. But honestly, it wasn't enough for me to be like, oh, I can't wear these leggings anymore. I just probably won't do squats in these. But yeah, these are really cute. It does have like a seam here, like a band to kind of keep it secure. So I could feel like after a few washes, maybe once it gets old, I feel like this band here would get loose. But as of right now, it's not giving me any problems. But yeah, these are the green ones. This is the back. So as you can see in the back, I think you can see the tag a little bit. Like, I think you can see the tag a little bit on the butt part. So yeah guys, that is my Scrunch Booty leggings. You can find these leggings on Amazon. I'm actually gonna look up the price to see how much they cost right now on Amazon. So if you bought these right now on Amazon, these are only $15.99. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, right now, if you get these leggings, you can get the other colors too. They are $15.99. Some colors are $13.99, but yes, these are $15.99. So let's see how much Celestial, I think this is what they call Celestial leggings. Let's see how much they're charging for these. Like I said, I can't compare these to the actual Celestial leggings because I never bought any. But I can tell you right now, their Scrunch Booty leggings are going for about 70 bucks. So if you don't want to spend that much money, but you still want that Scrunch Booty look with the high-waisted look, go to Amazon right now. I have the link in the description. The link is in the description right now if you want to purchase these leggings. I'm actually going to get some more colors because I just really love this. So I might get them in black and maybe another color. I don't know. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this leggings review, this affordable leggings review. Go ahead and like this video if you like this kind of content, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.